I have removed my rear tire, rear wheel here, and I found a puncture here using my pump here. It is right here, this area here. Look like a slit. So I'm going to replace the inner tube with the slam inner tube. It is my slam inner tube. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I go ahead and inflate it a little bit to have it form here. If it's harder to insert it in, you can deflate it a little bit from here. Just push the pin there. Insert the tube through here, and then just tuck your inner tube around gently. Be careful not to puncture. So use this tool with this angle around it to push the tire back. And then observe, make sure the tire are going back to the rim equally. I'm gonna go ahead and bounce this a few times. Just make sure tie is in place and there's no other issues. Examine around, make sure the ties looks good around. After replacing my inner tube, I've been riding for half an hour and seemed to hold up pretty well here. So I put in 20 psi. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. It's a slam inner tube, so it should fix itself if we have a puncture or pinhole kind of puncture. It should release the glue or whatever and fix itself. So we'll see how it goes. I would highly recommend you to use this if you're riding. You're gonna be riding a lot of on trail and things like that, especially mountain bikes. So it's good to have a slam inner tube. Even carry extra tube in your back in front. Anyway, happy biking, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.